model, 2018 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 6-speed 350 Mark 8 Euro 6 ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 190,897. MOT, 4 September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but the bottom-end knocking engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van open mouth smile. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,150.